Okay, here I have a 1972 360. It's bored 30 over. Mild cam. Well, 310 lift, or 310 duration, about 510 lift. Holly Demon 750 carburetor, HEI distributor. Of course, I'm doing a dry start right now. Of course, it has engine oil in it, but no coolant, so won't be able to run it very long. Just to see if it starts and runs before I stab it in, even though I have 100% confidence that it will run. It has a Wisaco flat top pistons, basically one of the only high performance pistons you can actually buy for one of the 360s. 401s 390s have more, how would you call it, diversity, or more types of pistons you can buy. But the AMC 360, even though it's very much more of a popular engine, especially with Jeeps, there's not as big as a market on pistons. So anyways, like I said, no coolant in it. Hopefully it should run good. And I already did a oil pump test, and she's pumping about 80 pounds of pressure with a drill. So, and this is a new oil pump, new timing cover, new everything on it. Roller rockers, and quarter-inch longer push rods for some reason. Never actually ran into that concern before, but the stock ones would not match up with the roller rockers. And of course, flywheel, clutch, and everything's in it. It's going in a 69 Javelin. It's right over there. There's my Rambler back over that way. And yard is looking like a mess. Really clean Javelin. Real clean. So anyways, I'm going to see if I could stand this phone up somewhere and give this puppy a whirl. So, let me see. Maybe I should have thought about this before I actually did it. And I think we're in semi in focus there. A little dark, but should work for our means. Yes, I have a Ford shirt on. Okay. Timing is static right now. I'm going to retard it. And we're waiting on a, what do you call it, high torque starter, because I'm not really sure this one's going to cut it. I'd rather run the high torque. Already primed the fuel. Good. Now we'll somewhere here. Let's give it a try. And she's out of fuel. Woo! That sounds good. Yeah, headers stink. And by the way, I don't run gaskets on my headers. Because if you put gaskets on it, see if I can capture this. The outward gaskets will not blow on an AMC or a Chevy, but the inner ones will always blow because you got the torque on the bolts too far apart where the flange will actually warp. No matter if you have a 3/4 inch flange or not, the heat and the torque on the bolts will warp the flange and cause the gasket to blow. So don't run any gaskets. That way the torque will be even across it and you won't have any problem. A little bit of oil coming out the, what do you call it? Where the fuel pump should be. Didn't even have it on boost. Actually, starter worked actually pretty good, but high torque one will work much better. Sounded beautiful. So, I know you're supposed to run it for a few minutes at 2,500 RPMs of braking the cam. But we will do that once it's in the vehicle. This short of a duration of running it, shorter time of running it, it's not going to hurt anything. So, real happy. Over and out.